On Sunday, Ms. Winfrey's 2-hour interview was broadcast on CBS in the United States. In response, Buckingham Palace issued a statement saying they took the issues raised very seriously, and they will be addressed by the family privately. Writing for the article, Dr. Michael Pinto-Dushinsky claimed this statement fell short, and urged the royal family to reinstate the Duke and Duchess of Sussex's official roles. The constitutional expert said, "Her Majesty and Prince Charles may respectfully be advised to reconsider some of the decisions that have been taken against Harry and Meghan on the basis of misinterpretations of royal rules which are in any case not immutable." There are precedents for members of royal families, including ours, to earn a living while also carrying out some royal duties, and there is no shortage of money-making schemes to bolster royal finances. Dr. Pinto-Dushinsky suggested a 4-stage program to reintegrate the Sussexes into royal life. He argued, the Queen should consider giving Archie and, after her hopefully safe birth, his sister the same princely titles as those bestowed as a matter of discretion on Prince William's younger children. Prince Harry should be permitted the formal role he seeks in paying tribute to his fellow soldiers on Armistice Day. It is not too late to give both Meghan and Harry some royal roles and patronages, albeit part-time and without financial benefit. Clearly they both have exceptional abilities and motives to give public service. The writer added Meghan and Harry should be allowed to give their side of the story, on bullying accusations during the upcoming Buckingham Palace inquiry. He also suggested the inquiry should extend beyond the Sussexes and cover the treatment of staff in all royal households.